truly small business is the lifeblood of the US. And when you file a Schedule C, when you have a very small scale business, whether it is just side gig work, like my dance teacher, who's actually a professor, or whether it is your full-time jam, um, there's a lot in the tax code that can benefit you. So one of these things, and it's not charity, it's actually for a beneficial societal reason. You are given expenses tax-free. So when you bring money into your business, all the money you bring in could be taxed. We could tax all of it, right? Every single invoice you send to a client, every single, student fee who comes to your dance class, we could tax 100% of that, but we don't. We let you use that money to pay for expenses to run your business and expand your business. And anything you put back into your business is tax-free. In other words, you can deduct the cost of running and expanding your business and not pay taxes on it. So you only pay, when you are a business in the US, you only pay tax on your profit. You don't pay tax on all the money that you bring in. We don't have to build the tax code that way. That's a choice. And that's a choice that supports you. It helps you boost the power of your dollars as you run your business. And it's not charitable. It's actually because when you spend money on your business, you are growing it, making it more resilient, more efficient, and better at what it does, so that you can then offer this service or product to a larger audience. You can offer it at a higher quality, at a lower price. Pick the way you want to do it. It allows you to run more efficiently, make more profit, serve more people, do a better job, right? And in the meantime, when you spend the money, those expenses of running your business are circulating for the most part, in the US economy. You are supporting other businesses when you spend money in your business. So that's already a public good. But even beyond that, when you invest enough in your business to make it run well, your business will grow. It will expand. It's not a guarantee. We know that business is hard, but the US government is truly giving you a boost there. And I want you to just appreciate how great that is. When you grow, when your business grows, what else happens? You hire people, so you become a job creator. And then on top of that, you make more profit, and then you will pay more tax. You pay back in to support the system that has supported you. That is a beautiful, beneficial cycle. I think it's optimistic. I think it's generous. I think it's wonderful. And it's there for you.